Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome back to my channel Cook with Fareeha. So today I have a yummy recipe for you. It's currant soup. First of all, like and subscribe my channel. So the things we need to make currant soup are, the first thing is salt 1 tablespoon, and the next thing is black pepper 1 tablespoon, shredded chicken 2 cup, chopped carrot half cup, boiled corn 1 cup, corn flour 5 tablespoon, 1 egg, and half cup water for mixing this corn flour. 1 liter chicken stock. And first we add salt. And after this we add shredded chicken and black pepper. Shredded chicken half cup, and now we are mixing it. Wow, it's looking yummy and delicious. And then we add carrot. And after carrot we add corns. Boiled corns. Okay, it's mix it. And now we are mixing corn flour in water. We have to mix it well. And then we add vinegar 2 tablespoon. Vinegar 2 tablespoon. And soy sauce 2 tablespoon. 1. And then we add chili sauce 2 tablespoon. And now we are adding corn flour slowly. And also mix it slowly. And also add egg slowly. Look, it's done. And now it's time to serve. Look, it's amazing. Oh. Wow, it's so yummy. Okay, bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.